Start.
Hello guys, so welcome to day 5 of our tutorials. So today I'm going to cover the web table concept over here. So the problem statement looks like we have to print all these values, and at last we have to verify that the sum is coming as 296 as given. So that is basically the concept over here, and let's get started. Let's code it. So let me go to the previous site, and yeah, the window handle. So I'm taking this common code, copying this, and let me create a class over here. So it is a table content. Let me take the main method over here and finish. So I'm pasting the code over here. So yeah. So basically, let me inspect over here. So I will tell you what is the web table and how we can do this. How we can take the XPath over here. So basically, you can see over here, it is started from here, div class equals to table fix head. So I can go from the ID equals to product. You can see there are two tables present over here. So if I go like this using this product only, so let's just check how many tables how many tables it is finding. So if I am going with the table, you can see there are three options it is selecting. And if I go with the ID that I have selected, so it will inspect two. So we have to start from this that is called the product web table fix header. So we have to start from that point. So let me start from this point. So here the class name is table fixed. So I will copy this, paste this over here, and the tag name is div, and we are selecting the class. So it is inspecting one element, and then we have to navigate. So basically here TR, when you go to the TR stands for the total rows, and TD stands for column, as you can see. So if I click uh, like this, then T body, we should go to the T body, and it is inside the T body. And if I go to TR, so it will inspect 9, you can see. So, and we have to print all these values, basically all the TRs. That is the first problem statement we are having. So I'm copying this, and I'm taking driver dot find elements because there are multiple elements over there. So by dot XPath, and we paste that XPath over here. So I will take this in a why it is giving error. Okay, so we have to import this. So let me take it inside a list and all our web elements. So pattern tag would be O web element, and let me give a useful name, that is table contents. Okay, so let me import this. Let me import this too, and then we have to take a loop and iterate all the values. So I starts from 0, then table contents dot size, and then I plus plus, and then we have to loop through it. That is control V dot get. You have to use the get over here, get size and get text. So yeah, so yeah, I forgot the I over here. So I less than table contents or size. So let me store it in string, suppose content, and I will simply print the value system dot sys and the content. So let me just run this and let's see if it is printing or not. So as you can see, it is printing all the contents present over that table. So the first test case is passed successfully. So now our problem statement is we have to basically take the amount part. So for taking the amount part, so we have to go to TD. That is TD. You can see 36 elements are inspecting over here. So we have to go to the fourth, basically the fourth TD. So it will give us the values. So as you can see, 9 elements are selected. So let me just copy this. So that is basically how you can use the XPaths for the tables, web tables. So let me just paste this and let me just copy this because it will also be same. That is, let me just change its name to table and let's say prices. And let me just paste the XPath over here. And so again, I will take the loop and j starts from 0, j less than prices dot size, then j plus plus. Okay, so let's so same concept will be used over here that I've used previously. So string prices one suppose equals to prices dot get j, sorry, dot, sorry, j, and then dot get text. So it will print all the prices, but the problem here is we are getting the text out of it. So it is in text format. So we have to make it integer in order to print its, in order to sum all the values and print it. So let me do what we can do that using integer dot parseInt. Sorry. Dot. You can see there is a parseInt. So I will paste that particular variable over here and I will store it in an int. Suppose int price 2. Suppose. So that is so let me just print all the prices. So we are printing the price 2 over here. So let me just run this and see whether it is printing all the values or not. Yeah, so you can see that all the values are being printed over here. So so we have to find out the sum. So let's take a sum over here, sum equals 0. And I will take a list over here, list of integer to store all the values, the prices of values. We take new array list and let's just import this array list. Yes. So what I will do, I will simply add the values into the list values dot add, and I will add the prices to over here. So sorry, price to. So price to is added. So now we have to iterate over that particular array list to find the sum. So for int k equals 0, k less than values dot size and k plus plus. So sum will become sum plus values dot get k. As all the values are stored, all the prices are stored in the value array list. So I am iterating over that list to find the sum. And let me print the sum outside so that we can get a better clarity how it looks like. So I will print the sum over here. So as you can see, the sum is printed over here. That is 296. That is the expected value that we are getting from this. So that is the basically the problem statement we have. We have to match the sum, and we successfully did that. So it is basically a famous interview question. So one thing you guys can try is you have to inspect over this particular thing, and you have to get the text out of it, and you can extract 296, and you can compare that also. So those who are seeing the videos, please try this, and please add the code required for this in the comment section. Yeah. So Amit, that's it for today's video. So Amit, if you want to add anything.
So, guys, there is an announcement. So, we are going to start online classes from Monday. So, that is free of cost for our subscriber. So, there also I have linked the Telegram group with my YouTube channel profile. So, those who want to join our online classes, the first step is like you need to join that group. So we'll be updating if there is anything regarding the online classes, we will be updating there. So that's it, guys. And as Angam told, like he's doing 30 days challenge. This is the fifth day. So guys,
Yes.
you can see the effort, how much effort is putting into writing the coding code for you, making you uh, understand in a very easy language. So please appreciate his effort. Please do subscribe, share with your friends. If you have any doubt, please do comment and let us know, like which
Yes.
all topics you want. So we'll make video on that one. So this is a very famous question, web table. So I also asked many times to the when I take interview, I have asked hundred of times these interview questions. So definitely today we covered one of the top interview question being asked in Selenium interview
Yes.
question. So that's it, guys. We are
Yes.
concluding. See you in the next
Yeah.
vlog. Till then,
Yeah.
tata, bye bye. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Take care, guys. And what I have said, just go through the problem statement and add your comments. Yeah. So that's it from us. Do subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.